Hey, what's happening, guys? Yes, I got something in the mail today. So today's gonna be my unboxing of the Rothco jungle boot that I got from, what do you call that place? I got it from militaryuniformsupply.com. I bought this last week, so today's gonna be a fresh unboxing. So I'll be unboxing my Rothco jungle boot that I got from militarysupply.com. Oh, it's my first time buying from them. So, okay, yes, man. Oh yeah. Before I take it out of the box, I gotta make sure, this fits me right. And I got the size 7. Oh, guys, I got this for my Dawn of the Dead outfit. That's what I got it for. But first things first, I gotta make sure everything's right. So I got the size 7. That's my shoe size. So again, I got this from militaryuniformsupply.com. Again, first time buying from them. Well, before I open it out of the box, let's just show you the package here. Oh, UPS just delivered just now. And I gotta make sure it fits me right. So here it is. Here's the package. Yeah, just to show you. Okay, so this is a fresh unboxing video. And I'm very excited again today to, get this. It just arrived. They just dropped it off just now. Okay, now let's open it up. Let's see. I hope everything's in right order. Now let's open it up. Let's see if everything's right. So first things first, I gotta make sure I got the right size. Make sure it fits me. Alright, make sure everything's right here. Okay, let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. I'm pretty excited today. So I got this last week. Okay, let's see what we got here. I hope this thing fits me. So guys, I got this from my Dawn of the Dead outfit. So we'll talk about that in a bit. But first things first, I gotta make sure everything's right here. I hope it's not too big. So again, sometimes these come in too big, and that's a problem with these boots. Sometimes, yeah, they come in like an inch too big. Okay, let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. So guys, I got the size 7. Let me get my other shoe here. I gotta make sure it fits right. So here it is, guys. I got this is the Rothco jungle boot. So I got this at militaryuniformsupply.com. Again, first time buying from them. So I'm pretty excited today. Okay, alright, first things first, I gotta make sure it fits me. So here it is, guys. Can you see it very well? Okay, first things first, I gotta make sure it's the right size, so I got the size 7. So, oh, and here's my here's one of my shoes. So guys, I wear size 7. And let's see what we got. Make sure it fits correctly. Oh, there you go. What do you know? It's yeah, perfect size. Yes, I have to tell you, I think I got the right size. So here's my my feet again. So there you go. Here's my shoe. So guys, I wear a size 7. Okay, can you see very well? So guys, I'm pretty excited today. I'm very excited to, get these boots. It's my first time buying military boots, by the way. Alright, now let's just show you. So yes, this is the Rothco jungle boot. Oh guys, I'm very excited today. Now let me see. I just want to make sure this fits correctly. I hope it's not too big. Okay, all right, can you see? Oh, hold on. Can you see it very well? There you go. Okay, so I got this for. Oh, okay. You know how much I got this for? I got this for $34.99 plus shipping. So I got it for about $45, $45.99. I'll just say. So I got it for $45. And oh yeah, guys, I got this for my Dawn of the Dead outfit. That's what I got it for. That's the truth about it. I got this for my Dawn of the Dead outfit. So I have to say, guess what, guys? My Dawn of the Dead outfit is complete. Yes, I got the boots. I got everything. Oh, guys, also check out my channel. Check out my channel. I do have a video on my Dawn of the Dead outfit. So please check that out. Check my channel. I do have a review on my Dawn of the Dead outfit. So that's what I got it for. Okay, now let's put it on. Let's try it on. I gotta make sure this fits me right. So this is a Rothco jungle boot. Yeah, let's put it on. Alright, can you guys see it very well? Yeah, take that out. Yeah, give me a little time here. Let's lace this up. Alright, hey guys, can you see very well? Hold on. Gotta make sure. Yes, I finally got the boots here. Yes. One more. Alright, not too tight. Alright, now the other one. Yeah, give me some time here. Let's lace this up. So guys, I'm very excited. I'm very excited for this. I go not too tight, just quick tying. And there we go. Oh yes, guys, guys, I have to say they fit perfectly. So there it is, guys. I bought this for my Dawn of the Dead outfit. Yes, guess what? My Dawn of the Dead outfit is complete. Oh, the one I have here is the soft toe. I didn't get the steel toe. I just wanted something cheaper. So I got this at militay uniformsupply.com. Oh, I got this for a good price, $34. So this is a Rothco jungle boot. I'm very excited to have this today. Yes, guys, guess what? My Dawn of the Dead outfit is complete. That's it. Yes, I bought this for my Dawn of the Dead outfit. There you go. Yeah, right there you got your vent for taking out the water. So again, I got this for $34, $34.99 plus shipping. Good. I have to say, yeah, guys, I'm satisfied. I'm truly satisfied with my purchase here. I thought they were not going to fit, but yes, guess what? They fit. So the one I got here is the size 7. Yes. Oh, perfect. No complaints here. I'm just going to put some support padding in under here. So there you go. Yes, I'm very excited to get my shoes today. So again, I got this for my Dawn of the Dead outfit. Guess what? Again, it's complete. Dawn of the Dead outfit is complete. So I might put it on all together later on. So again, I'm very happy to have these shoes. This is a military issue. Oh, these are not government issue. These are reproductions. Not government issue. Not reproduction. This is made by Rothco. Okay, so there you go, guys. I'm very happy. I'm very happy to have these shoes. Yes, perfect. The shoes fit in perfectly. No complaints here. Yes, I'm very, very happy today. Yes, no problems here. Okay, so there you go. That's it. That's my unboxing review on my Rothco jungle boot that I got from, what do you call that? militayuniformsupply.com. That's where I got it. Again, I bought from them for the first time. So again, I'm very happy with my purchase. And yes, my Dawn of the Dead outfit is complete. Okay, so let me know. Feel free to subscribe. Drop a line. And thank you for watching.